Hi YouTube, I am Shweta. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with another topic for all of you. This is a reading that I haven't done for a very long time, so I thought that maybe it's time for me to make a reading on this specific topic. As you can see with the title, it's a no contact reading. No contact slash less communication slash estranged, whatever fits your situation. We're going to be looking at that, and yeah, we're going to see, what's going on, what are the current energies of this person, what is the zone that this person is in currently, and we're going to get a little bit of a glimpse of the past. Kya hua hai in the past, what kind of a zone were you in that has led you to this situation, and then we'll see whether you should be having some hope or not, whether there is any scope in this relationship, whether you should be expecting anything or not. So a little bit of a future sneaky peek is also what we're going to see, right? So yeah, definitely guys, support me. This is a reading that I'm doing for my heart, so I want you guys to also help me be motivated by liking this video, saving this video if you want to, sharing this with your friends and family, friends or family, whatever. And yeah, definitely subscribe to my channel, and hype this video as many times as you can. And if you want to book a session with me, yes, a lot of people are still confused, how to book the session. There's a number in the description box below. You can always message me. Don't call me, just message me and I'll get back with you with all the details, right? So yeah, without any further delay, let's just get into it. I have two piles in front of me. I have one pile which is called the Chrysoprase. So Chrysoprase is what this looks like. And pile number 2 is Shungite. So these are two crystals that I'm sure mostly not a lot of people have heard about. So yeah, these are two crystals. Heavy, sounds heavy, is heavy. So yeah, choose one, whichever feels called to you. Very, very intuitively. So you want to take some time out, you can. You want to zone in a little bit, you can. If you want to look at the color, the shape, the size, whatever. Be as intuitive and as relaxed as possible. If you're not able to connect with either of them, then choose both. It's okay. All right, so I'm going to keep shut for 5 seconds. All right, I think you guys have chosen your pile. If you haven't, you can always pause this video. Let's get into it. All right, so if you've chosen pile number 1, which is Chrysoprase, this is what the crystal looks like. Then this is going to be your tarot reading. Pile number 1, we are going to be checking what are the current energies of your no contact situation. What are their thinking, what is the energy like, what has happened, what is the kind of mindset, what are they thinking about you, everything. And we're going to also be checking whether there is any scope left in this situation, right? So right off the bat, I'm feeling like you people have received something recently, received some gift or received some advice, received some opinion, which you have felt good about. Aisa nahi hai ki you felt upset about it. Somewhere, even if that advice was unsolicited, you know that it was for your good. Somewhere ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि किसी ने फालतू का ज्ञान दिया होगा, but it is not something that you wouldn't welcome. I think that you guys are mostly in an energy where you're not wanting to initiate a lot in your life. You are done taking action, you're done taking initiative, and you're wanting now things to come to you. मतलब आप ऐसे हो गए हो कि somewhere you guys are tired now. Some of you are just wanting to let life roll as it is and you just want to go with the flow. You are actually, I can feel a sense of deliberate distancing that you're doing. Deliberately you're not wanting to initiate. Jisko jo samajhna hai samajh le. That is the kind of zone you're in. Like whatever people have to assume, let them assume. I know the people who are trusting me. I know people who are believing in me, and I don't have to give any justification or explanation as to why I am the way I am, or the way I talk, or the way I behave, right? That is the kind of zone you're in. Some of you could be wearing green, orange, brown, yellow. Some of you have actually put your foot in mud. Somewhere some muddy ऐसे situation आ गई है जहाँ पे you put your foot in mud, or you're rolled in mud, or your hands have gotten dirty recently, or you've fallen. Maybe you've actually fallen on the ground. If you have, then please take care of yourself. Somewhere you have broken some glass. Have you broken some glass? Okay, हाथ से नीचे गिर गया glass, or something has happened. Or maybe you've broken something in anger. I can sense that also. Like you guys have broken something in anger. So that is what I can see. Have you guys recently eaten jelly? Something related to jelly, some jelly. Okay, I don't know why I'm seeing that. Eaten something of a jelly. Chewing gum बहुत खाते हो. Do you guys eat chewing gum? Chewing gum, or you want to keep something in your mouth. इलायची खा ली या कुछ ना कुछ mouth में खा लिया. Okay, recently you guys have gotten some blood test reports, or you have gotten some blood tests done. Okay, anyway, so that is what I can see for you guys. Again, these are just extended energies. These are the additional energies. Some of you are also having a Mercury in 4th house. I don't know why I'm seeing that. Mercury in 4th house or Mercury 4th Lord in the ascendant. 4th house and Mercury is connected somehow. So either it is an aspect or a lordship, some kind of a connection of Mercury. Okay. Mercury in 4th house. 4th house. Okay. So, yeah, guys, that's what is going on for your extended energies. Now, let's see what is the current energies. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's do current energies, past energies, and future energies. Okay, so that is what we're going to do. So let's see pile number 1. No contact energies. What's going on? What is the zone that your partner is in? So take this person's name in your mind. Whatever this person is feeling, let's see. Present energies, okay? Current energies. Oh, bhai sahab, 1 second, huh? Interesting. Right off the bat, I'm getting a lot of chaotic energies. This person is not happy where they are. Okay, let's see. Okay. Right off the bat, I feel like this person, as I told you, is not happy with where they are. मुझे लगता है there's a sense of pretense that they are doing. In the forefront, they are seeming happy. They feel like everything is in content. Everything is going smoothly in their life. But under they are feeling very empty. I feel like this person now, in the current energies, is trying to show that they are fine. Is trying to show that they are not getting affected. But there's something going on in their personal life. Or there's something going on in their deep psyche. Maybe it is not even related to you. It is not even like maybe you are not the main reason for this. There could be several reasons why they feel slightly unsatisfied. Okay, it's not necessarily the only reason that okay they have had a situation or a fallout with you that they're feeling like this. That's the first thing. Second thing is that this person is trying to merge into the crowd. I don't know why, but this person is not wanting to talk too much to a lot of people. This person is not willing to meet new people, or even after like your no contact situation, they have not tried to initiate anything with anybody. Maybe casual affairs could be there. I will be honest, maybe casual affairs could be there. I feel like this person is soulfully very empty. Soul mein this person's from the soul is very empty. Right? Externally, this person is trying to fill their needs or whatever. I will not even say needs. Like this person is just trying to be casual and is just trying to be there, kind of an energy. But I don't know why, but I am getting an energy where this person is very lonely right now. Or this person is purposely not wanting to initiate any conversations with people. This person is having so many people around. बहुत सारे लोग हैं इस person के पीछे. Like, this is an energy with so duality. Like, a lot of people around this person, but this person is himself like going away from that crowd. It's like this person is not able to relate to anybody right now. This person is not able to feel connected with anybody right now. This person is in the zone of trying to find their calling, or this person is trying to find something that they can feel that, like this person is trying to find something that they care about, basically. I don't know if that is something that they cared about. Like in the past, were they caring about you? I don't know. Yeah, I am getting an energy where this person is feeling very disappointed. Feeling very disappointed with the current state of their life, current state of the situation. It's not like they're doing bad in life. They're doing very well. Maybe career-wise, they're seeming good. They're seeming sorted. I'm looking at the current energies, not towards you or anything, just their current energies. Towards you, will see. So in the current energies of theirs, I feel like this person is satisfied in a way where conventionally this person is having everything going on for them. But internally, there's something that is a void, or this person is doing some kind of a self-reflection as to how can this person, or how can I reach to a position where I can stop feeling this emptiness within me. Like there's a sense of emptiness, okay? There's a sense of emotional disturbance, I will say. On paper, this person has to be like, is successful, is having everything going on for them. But internally now, they're very, very, I will not say they're upset. I'm not going to say that they're upset or they're just finding it difficult to relate to people. That is what is the situation. All right. And again, like this person is not very keen to dating right now. They're not feeling, they're very disappointed with people around. I feel that they are seeing people who are like, right, the current energies, I feel like they're seeing people sinister energies. इनको ना लग रहा है कि जो like this person who is in a no contact with you, like this person is realizing that my past was way innocent than the current energy that I'm dealing with. I'm talking about you. Like, you were way innocent than the current energy that this person is dealing with. Like, I feel like this person is realizing that my past or the person I was with was way easier, not easier, but it was just way simpler. This is feeling very complicated for them. Like, your partner is feeling like, shit, I think that this is not an energy that I am going to be able to handle very well. So that's why this person has isolated themselves also from people, from crowd, because it's like nobody, like this person is feeling like nobody is being authentic. Nobody is being themselves. Everybody is having a facade or having a mask. Everybody is being dual faced, or everybody is having their own preconceived notions. I definitely feel like, you know what, this person now just doesn't it's not that this person doesn't like you, or that this person has any wrong emotions towards you or has any wrong opinions of you. This person just met you at the wrong time. I am getting that energy very strongly. It's not that this person is not inherently a bad human being, okay? It's just that this person could not give you what you wanted, and they wish that you had either come sooner or later. This person is just like, I met you at the wrong time. It's like the right person, wrong time energy. And I feel like this person is still feeling that sting. This person still feels that sting. You know, it's like that kind of an energy where a person purposely has removed themselves from your life, not willingly. And then now that they've removed themselves from the life, it's like they thought that it'll be easy for them to kind of take a fresh step ahead. But it has not been easy at all. It's not been something that this person can easily move on from. I don't think that this person is realizing, or not realizing, but I don't think that this person has had the courage to completely bury the kind of relationship that you both had. And this could very well be a 2-year thing, 3-year thing, 4-year thing, 5-year thing. Abhi tak aisa nahi hai that this person has ever not thought about you. I feel like this person has thought about you minimum like once a day, 100%. Because I'm getting a very strong energy where this person was very intense, but that intensity couldn't be sustaining. You both had a very intense relationship. I think, can I just do a sneak peek of the past? Can I do that? Will you allow me to do that? Just sneak peek of the past, because I just want to get some clarity. 2 of Cups. Right now, like my video. Right now, comment that this is so true. Right now, comment. Okay. I feel like, you know, in the past, I knew it. You know, in the past, you both have shared. This person has seen their worst situation with you around. Worst situation. This could be a situation that has been a financial situation, destitution, literally destitution. They have seen their parents getting separated with you. They have seen either of their parents having an affair, and that them realizing this and them coming to you. They have seen their childhood friendships getting tear down. And you were there, okay? You were there. They have seen, I'm giving just an example. ज़रूरी नहीं कि सब कुछ हो रखा है. They have seen moments in which they have been badly betrayed by somebody with you. They have seen family problems with you. They have seen their own sense of psyche depleting, and you have been there. They have dealt with mental health issues, and you have been there. This was not a fleeting relationship. I can give you my 100% into it. It was a real relationship. You guys have shared the most vulnerable moments and the happiest moments ever. And when I say happiest moments, it's like you both have been taking trips. Well, it was a relationship only, bhai. It was a relationship only. You both have gone to restaurants together. You guys have gone on dates together. Or maybe if this was online, or if this was like a situation where there was distance, you have been able to share laughs together, memories together. It was not a relationship that was just come and go. Kuch tha isme. There was some potential. You know, I've got to the 8 of Wands as well. You both were aspiring for something here. Both of you were knowing what you are signing up for. At least initially, I would say. Both of you were very optimistic about this relationship. There is a reason why I said what I said, bhai. There is a reason why this relationship still feels there's some loose ends, you know. Like aisa ki yaar, you know, somewhere this relationship, like either for you or for your partner, you feel like, I wish there was something more in this. I wish कुछ ऐसा होता, like it's you're just not able to digest the fact that it's ended. अभी तक feel ही नहीं हो रहा कि वो end हो गया, you know. I'm getting an energy where, yeah, it's like you try, both of you were trying so hard not to end this. Both of you tried. You also tried, this person also tried. And in the past, I feel like this is an energy where you both were keen about this. You were both willing about this relationship. Both of you were anticipating about the future. You know, both of you were not ever expecting that a no contact situation will happen. Both of you never had it in your you know, mind ever that this is going to be going wrong. I feel like there was, in the same breath, I will say that there is a lot of moments in which anger has taken the better of this relationship. Both of you were very connected emotionally, but both of you had very strong opinions. Because I've gotten the Eight of Wands and this card, that's why I'm saying that there was so much fire in this relationship. Now, too much fire can bring two people very, very chemistry oriented. Like both of you were very connected and very, you know, intense. This relationship was very intense. But in the same breath, there were quite a few places where neither you or this person would back down from their opinions, would back down from their thought processes, would back down from what you felt is right. Somewhere, anger, ego, perhaps got the better of the relationship. I'm not saying it was the only reason. One of the reasons was definitely that there were certain places where when things were gentle, they were great. But there were moments in which certain actions have been taken which have not been in the spirit of the relationship, which have not been in the way a healthy relationship would mitigate. And somewhere the anger is not anger towards each other. It's the anger of not being able to love each other fully. Like the other person is not understanding where the other person is coming from. It's not anger because I hate you, you're such a blah, blah, blah. It's like it's frustration. It's not anger, it's frustration. It's also anger with regards to nobody pushes my buttons the way you do. It's like I care so much about you, that's why I'm getting so angry because how can you get me wrong? तुम मुझे कैसे गलत समझ सकते हो जब तुम मुझसे प्यार करते हो? ये वाली एनर्जी होती है ना कि बाकी कोई बोले ना बोले, anybody else says anything to you, you will not get affected. Who the hell are you? But if the person you love says something to you, it's like it really grinds your gears because it is something that I know that you will never get me wrong. And how are you able to assume that this is the situation, right? So the anger, when it comes like that, it's not always somebody being toxic. It's not, oh, this person is so toxic, this person is a red flag. No, that red flag energy is not, it's not like that. It's sometimes, because you both are so comfortable, because the relationship is so intense, as I said, that there are certain places where two people are just feeling misunderstood, and then misunderstanding translates into anger. Do you get it? And more importantly, this is very important, I will tell you that both of you were definitely involved in this relationship. Both of you had some kind of an optimism in the relationship, but there was not a ultimate goal here. The Eight of Wands is a big representative of that. I am putting that arrow in, but where is it landing? You're putting that energy into the relationship, but I don't think that you guys ever had that kind of a sense of बोलते हैं ना, sense of consensus with regards to, okay, are we going to head towards a marriage or are we going to head towards a long lasting relationship? It was always like, yeah, we are keen and we are optimistic about each other, we are positive about each other, but yeah, wherever that goes, it goes, or we don't want to talk about that, or it was a very touchy subject. Both of you avoided that kind of a conversation, or even if that conversation happened, you both were never in truce with it. Okay. So past energies make me feel like things were fine only. With the Eight of Wands, it's not that bad that no contact will happen. In fact, you both were communicating a lot. So that's why I said कि no contact आना बहुत ही ज़्यादा sudden, बहुत ही ज़्यादा it was a big shock to the both of you that we used to communicate every day. We used to talk every day, whether it is on call, whether it is on text, whether it is on communication. We would talk every day. We would meet each other's family members. We would be so connected with each other. हमेशा we were aware about each other's whereabouts. So having this kind of a no contact is a very strange energy that has happened. So let me ask you, what has happened that has led you to this long distance relationship? That is what I want to ask. Okay, I'll ask that. Let me just get more information right now. You know, I feel like, now this might sound so weird, but in the relationship now, both of you were definitely involved, blah, blah, blah. Definitely, I can say that. But there was one person still very guarded. One person was still aloof. One person, and I'm assuming that is the other guy. I mean, other person, not guy, girl, jo bhi ho sakta hai. And this person would not have easy energy to trust. This person was guarded because they couldn't trust easily. इनको trust issues बहुत tremendous है, या थे. and they would not allow the other person to enter in their life. Yes, this person has been, see, I'll tell you what. This person trusted you in a way where they would come and be vulnerable with you. They would be emotionally open with you. They would have everything going on. But there was still 1% in their mind that was so insecure because of the things that they were going through, because of the troubles that this person was going through. There was still that kind of a hesitation that they had. And that hesitation would come because of a sense of being misunderstood, because of their past, maybe because of the fact that they themselves were never able to understand themselves. तो एक एनर्जी ये थी जहाँ पे वो vulnerable तो हो रहे थे, लेकिन they could not ever understand that vulnerability is also you ensuring that the trust is gained. So they would be vulnerable with you, they would be emotionally expressive with you, but even one small mistake ना, one thing that you would do, कुछ ऐसे कुछ हो गया, गड़बड़ हो गई, कुछ anything, that trust would just break. Or they would be extremely guarded. They would be completely like, oh my god, my walls are up. And there was a sense of, a feeling of being like you'd get punished for certain things that you didn't do. Okay? And that is why I'm getting very unhealed energy from this guy, from this person, whoever, guy, girl, jo bhi hai. And very unhealed energies. Okay? I want to check what has led you to go into no contact. Okay, let me just see. Not necessarily, see, this is not going to 100% resonate, right? This is a very, like, I'm connecting to a collective which is reaching like tens and thousands of people. So it could be like piece by piece it is connecting. High priestess, this is definitely emotional control. I told you na, guarded energy. High priestess aa rahi hai. High priestess hoti hi emotionally guarded hai. If you look at a high priestess, there is a symbolism of hers where the moon, the half crescent moon, is near her feet. Emotions को दबाना. तो ये ऐसी एनर्जी है जहाँ पे ये एक्सप्रेस, एंड one thing I'll say that although I'm saying that this person is expressing emotionally, blah blah, you had to coerce them into telling them, tell me what has happened, I'm there for you, I'm there for you. तब जाके ये बताएंगे. This person would not immediately come to you and they would not do that. They would not immediately come to you and brrr करके सब कुछ बता देंगे. This person had inhibition to express. You would ensure that, what, I am there for you, you tell me what is going on. They had no other person to tell but you. But when it comes to taking a stance, or when it comes to deciding the big decisions, there was optimism, there was a scope, there was a sense of honest action, but there was also emotional control. There was like the reason why this relationship has gotten. Also, one more thing I'm getting is that the reason why this person has gotten in no contact, because there's some kind of a revelation of something. कुछ reveal हुआ है यहाँ पे. Something has been revealed either to you or to this person, or maybe you could have gotten no contact. By the way, it could very well be that you have gotten no contact. That has been revealed that was way too harsh or way too difficult for this relationship to not go into a no contact, to come back into the senses. 9th house. Is there some kind of a conversation that has happened about the father? Let me know. Or his father's side of the family knew about this relationship. Okay, let me get more information. What is it that has been revealed? I know that this person definitely liked you. This person definitely was involved with you. They admired you, everything. But definitely there was a lack of being able to open themselves up to you. There was not open themselves. They were very guarded. They were not able to appreciate. They were not able to emotionally express in the way that you would want them to. That is 100% there. But I'm still not understanding why this went into no contact. Give me one crisp answer, please. Why did this go into no contact? Crisp answer. Yeah, there is some kind of manipulation here. Some kind of a secret was revealed which was not real, but they believed it. And now they regret it? What was revealed by? ऐसा क्या reveal हुआ है? 5 of Cups. There's some kind of a situation that has revealed itself that has really, really upset them about you. Actually, let me just see from this deck also. Let me know. एक बार comment करना, what has it been that has been revealed that has made them so upset? Secret has been revealed by secrets. What secrets? Why is the spirit not wanting to tell me? Is the universe not wanting to tell me? Universe not wanting to tell me? क्या secret है भाई? मेरे को पता है secret है. ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता कि नाउ माई इंट्यूशन इज नॉट वांटिंग टू टेल मी ओनली, इतना एंड मोमेंट पे आके यू नॉट टेलिंग मी व्हाट इज दिस डैम सीक्रेट. आई एम स्टिल नॉट एबल टू फिगर आउट. मे बी आई एम अ बैड टैरो रीडर. I'm not able to understand what is a secret. Please, God, please tell me what is a secret. Or do you also not know about it? Are you also questioning कि भाई क्या हुआ है ऐसा? It's so confusing. Okay, one last try. I'll tell. If I don't get the information, then perhaps it is just something that the spirit doesn't want to reveal right now. Okay. Sometimes ऐसा होता है कि things are not wanting to be revealed, so they will not be revealed. I can see obstacles triumphing over obstacles. Period of prosperity and abundance. This is not answering my question. What is the secret? Please, 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 please. Seven of Wands. Somebody has definitely like said something about you. कुछ bad mouthing हुई है. There has been some kind of a person that has bad mouthed you and some kind of a secret has been revealed, or they have told you something about you to your estranged partner. Something, okay, I know what the secret is. There's something that is not true about you that somebody else has told your partner. Just is not true. It is not something that is real. वो झूठ है. आपके बारे में कुछ झूठ बताया गया है आपके पार्टनर को, जो उन्होंने विश्वास कर लिया है. And that is the reason why this person has gotten no contact. And this person has not kind of given you clarity. This is like a vague situation. It's a very vague answer that this person has given you. The reason why this person has believed this secret is because it has come from somebody reliable, that they believe that is reliable. So it could be like a secret coming from a very close friend of theirs. You know, it's like, have you seen that movie Ashiki 2? उसमें वो आदित्य रॉय कपूर का friend होता है ना, like somebody like that reliable who has bad mouthed you. Okay, like that kind of an energy I'm getting. But it is not something in era gera Nathu Kera said something to your partner and they've believed you, and it is all baseless. It's all something that is just not true. It's all fantasy. It's all something that this person has not believed, that you are not that. Some kind of a false opinion has been thrown at you by this person. Your partner could be an air sign, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, or you could be that. Yeah, I feel like there's some kind of a bad mouthing somebody has done, where this person has said something that is all baseless. Some kind of an information has come out which is not true about you. I think this is something to do with your the way you interacted with one of your friends or family members, not family members, sorry, with one of your friends. And there's some kind of a झूठ बोला जा रहा है. I don't know what it is, sorry guys, but I'm not getting that information at all. I'm just very confused. But there's one thing I can tell you is that there's some kind of a bad mouthing that somebody reliable to your partner has done towards them, which is not honest, which is not true. Okay, so some secret has been revealed about you or something, and that's why this person has gone no contact. Okay, that is what I'm seeing. But उसके आगे मुझे नहीं पता. अब इधर तक मुझे अगर बता दिया, listen, 2 of cups came, that secrets energy came, that means God was telling me that this is what you are right, you're going on the right path. But if I'm not getting more information, I'm just not getting more information. Okay, I'm still trying to get moon placement. भाई moon placement मतलब dual energy है. You're gonna get the, you know what, the revelation of this will not happen now. The revelation of the secret will happen 1 year from now. Okay, moon placement, either your moon is in 6th house, or your partner's moon is in 6th house, or 8th or 12th. Okay, or there's some aspect 6th and 12th, 6th lord and 12th, or moon's lord, or maybe you are a Cancer ascendant, that can also happen. So some kind of a lordship is happening, or some kind of a 6, 8, 12 mein moon placement of you or there. Okay, so that is what is happening. So now tell me, now that there has been some misunderstanding, is this a misunderstanding energy? ये तो बता सकते हो. Is this a misunderstanding energy? Is this a misunderstanding between you and your partner? Is this a misunderstanding? Let's see. Is this a misunderstanding? Is this a misunderstanding? Yeah, I really want to get to the bottom of this. You know, it's like it's now my personal story that I want to get. Is this a misunderstanding? Sorry. You know, your partner also had some impossible standards, you know, like आप जितना भी करोगे वो कम ही होगा उनके लिए. That is what I'm seeing. This person actually was very indecisive also in the relationship. Like, honestly, I will say that this person definitely was involved with you, but was so afraid to take a decision. And this person had very high demands. Okay, but you still haven't answered my question. Was there a misunderstanding between the two individuals? Let me see. Was there a misunderstanding? Come on. Yes, Four of Pentacles. Yes. Four of Pentacles and clarified with the star. Yes, I mean, I will say misunderstanding was there. But this person also knows you, but was afraid to. This person, like, there's a misunderstanding between the two of you. But this person knows you, but is afraid to confront it because he knows that he's wrong, or they know, she knows, or they know, whoever, they know that they're wrong, and is afraid to, like, this person is afraid to accept their mistakes, or this person is purposely not wanting to go in that route because they're afraid of your reaction. They know who you are. They realize that maybe this is a misunderstanding. They realize that the secret that has been told to them is not who you are, but it is far too late right now. That is what they're assuming. That is the zone that they're in. Am I right? Is it too late for them? Conservative energy. I've gotten a Four of Pentacles also. Yeah, they're conserving their energies. They're not going to open up to you because they are fearing that they'll have to face the brunt of their unawareness. They'll have to face the brunt of their stupidity. Secretive. यहाँ पे भी secretive energy. यहाँ पे भी secretive energy. क्या secret है भाई? Yeah. Secret, but what secret? I don't know. But okay, that is what has happened. Okay. So now let's see. Okay, now let's see what is it. Like, is there anything in store for you? Is there anything in store for pile number 1? Is there anything in store for pile number 1? Is there anything in store for pile number 1, people? I'm so sorry if this doesn't resonate. I only think that I made a big goof up about this reading. So if this doesn't resonate, please forgive me. We can make another video for this, okay? Okay, is there any scope? Please tell me. Knight of Cups. I think this person will initiate. 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 Yeah. Ace of Cups. Bhai, khatam kahani. This person is initiating for sure. This person is going to feel... This person is not going to let this relationship go off the hook. Okay? You can believe me, you cannot believe me. It's fine. I am happy that I've pulled out these cards because I was getting a feeling that this is not ending. I was getting a feeling that there's something in store. अब मुझे मैं समझ सकती हूँ कि आपको इसमें believe नहीं करना है क्योंकि आपको बहुत hurt हुआ है. You felt very betrayed. I know it, and you don't even have to accept this. Honestly, it's up to you whether you want to accept it or not. But I am telling you that this person will initiate, and this person will initiate. You will not initiate. This person will initiate. There is going to be a restart into this relationship. Work, achievement, success. Definitely, it'll be slow. I don't necessarily see it very fast, but this person is definitely going to make a move. I am sure about it. Love, deep affection, and care is coming. It's coming. Heart energy. By Ace of Cups, heart energy. अब मैं क्या ही बोलूं? Definitely. Yeah, there is going to be either a physical connection, or you might meet this person while traveling somewhere, or you might meet this person like accidentally or bumping into this person, or this person might unblock you and message you. Something of that sort is happening where they are kind of cutting a blockage. Like there's a distance and they're breaking the distance. Okay. Definitely there's a approach. This person is approaching you. There's more in store in this relationship. मुझे लगता है इनको realize हो जाएगा. They want to start afresh. Oh भाई साहब, 1 second. They want to start afresh. Okay. Communication. Yeah, they are definitely communicating. They are definitely at least emotionally open to हो रहे हैं. At least अपनी बात रख रहे हैं. They're going to have some kind of a discussion about what went wrong. What was the zone that this person was in? What kind of a mindset was this person in? I think this person will say, I'm sorry I pulled away because this is how I was dealing with things. And I need to kind of let you know what I truly feel about you, blah, 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 blah. I think there will be a honest communication between the two of you. Knight of Cups and Ace of Cups का combination ऐसी होता है कि भाई कोई ना कोई love department में there is going to be some movement 101%. And that's why I was so frantic about that, because I knew that this secret that is being revealed to them is not the real you. And this person will realize it or knows it or has realized it and is wanting to make things right. Confidence नहीं है अभी उनमें, थोड़ा confidence लाएंगे थोड़ा सा. They just want somebody or something to just give them a right signal. You don't have to do that. You don't have to go and approach them and ask them, listen, do you have anything to say? Don't do that. You be yourself. You be in your own zone. Let this person at least take some responsibility of their actions now. So I don't necessarily see that this is going to be something that is going to take like like it's not something that you have to take the responsibility of. Okay, this person has a misunderstood, or it is their responsibility to clear that misunderstanding, which they will take that step, they will take that initiation. Okay, anything else? They are going to listen, you are going to see, communication is happening of both the talker and the listener. Somewhere you will listen to their side of the story, you will express yourself, you will tell them what was going on in that situation, what happened, why did you react the way you reacted, and then the other person will tell you, okay, this was my judgment of the situation and I misunderstood this. So this person is going to listen to you, this person is going to hear you out, you are going to listen to them, you are going to hear them out without any judgment, without, you're honestly going to give this relationship a genuine hearing, is what I'm saying. ठीक है, नाइट ऑफ कप्स एस ऑफ कप्स आया है, मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी कि ठीक है आप दोनों रिलेशनशिप में आ जाओगे, बट एटलीस्ट देयर इज गोइंग टू बी सम काइंड ऑफ अ रिस्पेक्ट गिवन टू द काइंड ऑफ लॉयल्टी दैट यू हैड फॉर ईच अदर. यार, देयर इज गोइंग टू बी सम काइंड ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट फॉर व्हाटएवर यू शेयर्ड, वेदर इट वाज फॉर 1 year, वेदर इट वाज फॉर 1 month, वेदर इट वाज फॉर 2 months. जो था सीरियस तो था ना, जितने टाइम तक था serious तो था ना. There was something that you both were looking for in the relationship and it didn't happen because of XYZ reasons, but you guys actually did that kind of effort into the relationship. So keeping that in mind, keeping that in as a sanctity, there is going to be a communication for sure. Right now, you don't have to be you don't have to take any action. You don't have to make things right or wrong. Definitely, you are in the zone where you want to take a distance, which you should. It's not a bad thing, okay? Anything else? Yeah, I don't think that you should worry too much. Right now, if you're worried, you have to kind of take a step back because it is not something that is your headache. मुझे ये बोलना है. And maybe this person is also very worried. See, if you are worried and this person is also worried, then both of you will be worry and nothing will come out. Both of you have to be a little confident. Both of you have to believe in this relationship. Even if you have lost all faith, don't at least be negative about it, is my point. ठीक है, I understand your position, you are done with it, you have tried your level best, आपने बहुत ज़्यादा hope रख ली है, नहीं लग रहा है कि ये हो पाएगा. I respect your feelings, but you should respect me and believe that, okay, I'm going to let it be. If this person wants to come, this person will come, whatever. Okay, you're in the right path. Yes, you're in the right path and you're on the right road. You are doing whatever you're doing right now is correct. If you're taking a step back, you're correct. If you're trying to keep communication door open, you're correct. If you're trying to have hope, you're correct. If you're not trying to have hope, you're correct. You are correct. Okay, that is what I'll tell you from my side. Having said that, there is something that you need to know about this relationship, that ये 100% over नहीं है. ये तो आप मान सकते हो मेरे से. This, at least you can accept that this is not 100% done. That is it. After that, you can take that decision. You can take that road forward. I am telling you that this person is definitely going to approach with a white flag. This person is definitely going to break that kind of a distancing for sure. There's going to be an honest judgment about this relationship for sure. There is going to be two people standing together or talking it out. कि यार ये था, this was what I was thinking, and it is not going to be something that you're going to be like, oh, you did this, and it's not going to be kataksh, it's not going to be throwing allegations at one another. It's actually listening to the other party and giving them the benefit of doubt, and then coming to a true judgment, coming to a true alignment. Ki, do we need to give this relationship a shot, or is it something that is way too beyond our control, that okay, this is something that you will never understand about me or whatever, right? So definitely they will see you as a person who is genuine, who is actually honest. They will see you as a person who actually wants to, definitely they're going to see things clearly. That is what I can say. Okay, they're going to see things clearly. There is going to be some movement in the relationship. Is there anything else? Does your partner have a little bit of a darker complexion than you? Let me know. Yeah, see scales. See scales. There's going to be some right and wrong. कि कुछ चीजें jurisdiction होता है ना, like justice energy. You could be a Libra or your partner could be a Libra, or you could be a Sagittarius or partner could be a Sagittarius also. Like there's going to be some kind of a arrow energy, like scales balancing, the right and wrong kind of an energy, which is good. Which is a good thing because you don't have to completely be blinded in this relationship. Let's see your approach. What should your approach be? Your approach towards this. Yeah, Six of Pentacles again. Tolna, marolna, whether it is right or wrong. Again, this is also like weighing things into perspective. You should also be, like what I'll say is that you should also give the same energy that the other person is giving. If the other person is actually telling you sweetly, politely, like, listen, this is what I was thinking, you also give that polite energy back. Mirror them. The way this person is giving you, you also give them back in return, right? It's not like you have to be hungry and despair, and you have to be desperate. You're okay without them, you're okay with them. And that is your approach. Like, you don't have to be at all like emotionally restless or vulnerable. You should be yourself. You should be who you are. Okay? Yeah, either you find a way where you can accept this energy in your life, or you replace it, or you let go. Like, that is the energy that you should be following. Don't be completely accepting right now. Okay? Either you completely be like, okay, I'm allowing this relationship, whatever, or you find a replacement, or you completely detach from it. That is what I'm going to say. Okay? Allow this person to say their words. Yeah, it is not like you have to resist them. Let them speak what they have to say, and then you are free to take your decision, is what my point is, right? So yeah guys, this is what it is from my side. Wow, it was very intense. मुझे पता था कुछ कुछ चीजें ऐसी हुई ना. I'm not even kidding. I knew that in the back of my mind, this is something that is going on, and the cards were repeating itself. At certain places, certain things were not getting revealed to me. I don't know, maybe I was not able to read it correctly, or I was just not getting the answers. मेरे को वो click ही नहीं हो रहा था. And दो तीन बार हुआ है मेरा intuition correct गया है इस reading में, but there were certain places where I just was not able to kind of do 2 plus 2 4. Maybe you will be a better judge of it. You know, sometimes it happens where, you know, a reading is a collaborative effort, right? I will not be 100% accurate, but I can always improve. So you tell me, you know, what I might have missed out on that that was going on, right? So let me know. But apart from that, yeah, this is what it is, guys. If you want to kind of get a little bit better understanding, you know, you can always kind of approach me and book a reading with me, because that will actually help me point to a specific energy of yours. So if you want to look at your current situation in a deeper manner, and only for your current situation, that is best, because I'm tapping into so many people's energies. There could be a million things that is going on in the relationship, right? So मैं उसको एक umbrella term पे बोल दूंगी कि okay, some secret is being revealed. But what is that secret? What is it? I will not be able to tap in the very precise manner. So I'll have to be a little vague here, okay? Which I don't like to do, but in this particular situation, I have no choice but to be vague, and I hate doing that, but theek hai, jo bhi hai. So my advice to you is, it's not necessary that you have to book a reading with me only, but if you want answers, then definitely do a tarot reading for this. Because there's something that you must be knowing, that you must know about this relationship for sure. Get a redirection, right? Yeah, support is coming to you. Just get a little bit of a redirection. Like, support is coming to you as in, like, somebody can help you get a better understanding of this relationship. Yeah, someone is like somebody is watching you about this. Like, there's some kind of a watchful eye over you. Maybe it's the spirit guides, maybe it's the universe. You are being taken care of. So my advice is just to be able to get a better understanding, to ask somebody, okay, can you just give me a little bit precise information, right? So yeah, guys, this was what it was. I hope I was able to help you. This was very, very intense from my side, and I really genuinely want this reading to be helpful for at least 50% of you. If this helped, let me know. I need to know. This time, please, please, please let me know. Let me know, okay, where this was true or what was going on, and, you know, let me know, okay? Let me know if it made sense. Like, save, share, follow, not follow, subscribe to my channel. Please do that energy exchange, because this time I really put my foot. And yeah, hype this video as many times as you can. If you want to never miss any video, press the bell icon. And yeah, if you want to book a session with me, you can always do so. All the information is in the description box below. And I'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye. All right. If you have chosen pile number 2, which is Shungite, then this is going to be your tarot reading. This is what it looks like. So yeah, we're going to see what is it that your no contact situation is going through, what is the current energies, what zone they are in currently, and yeah, whatever happened in the past, what's the, you know, zone, and whether there's any future scope here. We are going to check, right? So right off the bat, I think that you guys are in a detox mode, whether it is in your personal life, whether it is in your professional life, whether it is, you know, in your social media life, whether it is in your spiritual life. You're detoxing a lot. You're cutting off people left, right, and center, or you are decluttering your life. You're removing people on social media, people who don't follow you back. You're doing that. You're also cleaning your closet. You're also cleaning, like, you're in a cleansing spree. Okay. There's also places where you are discarding or donating something. You're also not allowing any person to give you negative energy. मतलब जैसे ही आपको कोई negative चीज़ दिख जाती है, आप इसको बिल्कुल ही बंद कर देते हो. Even if there is any news that you're getting, अब तो you have stopped watching, you know, Instagram reels, or you're stopped being on news outlets, because it is very, very taxing for you, and you're not able to handle that kind of a negativity in your life, because you're anyway in a very difficult zone, I think. Okay, some of you are actually going through a place where there's a lot of like confusion, chaos, conflicting energies right in your psyche, and आपको लग रहा है that anything that is adding onto it is just making you feel even more vulnerable to situations around you, right? Somebody scratched you, an animal scratched you, or have you scratched yourself too hard? Maybe you have dry skin, so be very careful. कुछ scratch आ गया आपके हाथ में. There's an energy that I'm seeing where some of you are some of you have cut your finger, I think, with a sharp object. You've cut your finger with a sharp object or something of that sorts. Some of you must be wearing black, gray. Okay, one second. Black, gray, purple, white. Some of you are interested in clay. I am seeing clay modeling. Clay modeling or pottery. Some of you are interested in that also. Yeah, that is what I'm seeing. Have you accidentally touched something which is like an algae or fungus or something of that sorts? You've eaten something bad, I think. I'm getting an energy like that. Yeah, that is what is happening. Yeah, anyway, so this is what the energies are like right now. You're in a detox mode, which is good, let's see what is the current energies of your no contact person. So whoever you're a no contact with, what are they currently going through? I'm not going to see what their emotions are towards you, but eventually वहाँ पे हम चले जाएंगे. But we are going to see basically what is it that they are currently going through. Okay, so the current energies right now, what is it? Can you please tell me? Okay. This person is okay. They're doing well in their life. It's not too much of a missing you energy, honestly. They're finding a pleasurable energy in their life. मुझे नहीं लगता है कि this person is actually having any kind of emotional difficulties or problems in their life right now. Things are pretty smooth. Things are smooth in their life. It's from every aspect of life, they are in control. They're neutral. I think even when it comes to your like conversations about your relationship or whatever, they don't have any need to go back. Okay, or at least for now, like in the current energies, I don't see that they are very keen in taking anything back or rewriting their relationship or anything of that sorts. I think the current energies is that they're trying to find they're trying to find to do, like they're trying to find something stimulating in their everyday life routine. Either they're going to the gym, or they're working out, or they're becoming more active, or they've picked up a sport, or they've picked up a hobby, or they're going out with their friends. मतलब इनको अकेला नहीं रहना है. They are doing something with somebody or around something. They're keeping their day busy, or they're working, or they're doing something like they're going partying, or they're praying to God. You might not have seen this person stay at home too much. Are you staying too much at home? Are you like, versus you, are you the one who's like just sulking in their home or not doing anything? Versus you, like you versus them. So this person is like going out and doing everything. Are you sulking at home? You are also not sulking at home. You are trying to not get affected by it, but you are. It's not like you have completely like moved on from them. Somewhat you have also moved on. I will say you are also trying to come out of your shell, and you're trying to meet multiple people, or you're trying to talk to people. But I don't think that this is something that you are inherently 100% over. I don't think so. That like there's still some heart that is left within you, but you like 80%, I think you've moved on. You've also moved on from this relationship. Okay, I don't necessarily see that either of you are very keen in connecting with each other. Are you wanting to connect with this person? Are you wanting to connect with this person? See, I will say this. You don't want to connect with this person, but you want to know what they're up to. I'm not going to say that you are not getting affected by it, but you just want to know अच्छा ये क्या कर रहा है, कहाँ जा रहा है, कैसे मिल रहा है, किससे बात कर रहा है. So either you are kind of either you've kept this person, like either this person has removed you, or you've blocked them, and you have some burner account or spam account that you are getting information from, or somebody of your friends or family is getting information from you, or you are keeping this person restricted, and you are seeing this person from a वो तो restrict होता है ना कि वहाँ से देख के उनकी stories देख रहे हो, or you are being told about this person's whereabouts and what they're up to or whatever. You are keen in knowing what they're up to, but you are not necessarily wanting them to know. And you also don't care about too much. Matlab, even if this person, like I'm getting an energy where this person could have a public account, and you are just seeing this person's posts and reels. You're not even seeing their stories or anything. You're just seeing their posts or reels. Or you're seeing this person's profile picture getting changed on WhatsApp, and you're just seeing like things around. You're not really bothered also. You're also busy in life. You're also trying to get out of your shell. You're also trying to meet other people. You're also trying to not meet people like that, but you're also trying to look out for different prospects. Now, I want to see what has happened in the past. This is what is interesting to me. What has happened in the past between the two of you? Chalo, ek card aaya, so I will say what has happened in the past that is leading to this situation. So this is now a very interesting juncture that we are on. पास्ट में क्या हुआ है between pile number two people. So think about the person. Let me also kind of zone in. Okay. I think, you know what? I think what has happened in the past is that two of you were caught up together because of certain chaos around you. You were not inherently wanting to be together either. मतलब ऐसा नहीं था कि both of you were willingly wanting to be in a relationship. It was just that circumstances around was very chaotic. Circumstances around you were very chaotic that led you to be in a relationship. I would say both of you inherently were not properly like obsessively in love. मैं ये बोलूँगी आपके साथ. Like you were not like, of course, like love will come eventually. Like both of you were together for some time. But it was like external circumstances were so rough for you. I'm getting an energy, I don't know why, but I'm getting an energy where both of you were around people who were not that great or whatever, and by force you had to be together, or both of you had nobody, that's why you chose each other. There is an energy that I'm getting where both of you were just having some kind of a crush and attachment towards each other, but not like inherently in love. But people made it think like, oh my God, both of you are such good couple or whatever, and now you should be together. And maybe you had started having hopes about it. Chaos surrounding you. भाई आज क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ? Can you tell me what is happening? मैं जो बोल रही हूँ कार्ड निकल रहा है. Chaos surrounding you. I'm telling you, there was some chaos surrounding you both that led you to be together. I'm getting an energy where both of you were maybe having circumstances, anomalies that were very traumatic, and that is why you started bonding. Trauma bonding? Trauma bonding is the word that is coming to me. I could be wrong now. I could be wrong. But you were not inherently like emotionally like pile number one, they were both emotionally involved. Like pile number one, people were like really in love. You were not necessarily in love. I'm getting an energy now I'm getting, but there was a lot of weird toxicity in this relationship. Okay, both of you were not in love, but there was specks of jealousy here to show each other, look, I am like better than you, or there was a lot of like suspicious energy. There was a lot of like trauma bonding, two people who are unhealed coming together and having that kind of an attachment where you are carrying his boj and she's carrying your boj and he's carrying her boj. People taking each other's burdens and thinking that they're in love. There was like a lot of weird toxic elements in the relationship, like jealousy. If you both had a fight, then one of you would go and make the other person feel jealous. There was a lot of chaos. Like this relationship, it's starting of the relation, like the bunyad of this relationship, the foundation of the relationship was not love. It was chaos. The seed planted in this relationship was of chaos. It was not of understanding, loyalty. No. It was just chaos ensuing around. Okay? Secrets, yahan pe bhi secrets. Sometimes you would hide things from each other. Yeah, there was a lot of dishonesty also in the relationship. Even you would hide certain things, ensuring to keep the other person's ego satisfied. But there were some places where even you were not being honest in this relationship whatsoever. And even they were not. Angry, yeah. There was anything like bahut hi jealousy, angry, secretive energy. Both of you were together for the sake of the relationship, but there was not love. And you would still come back to each other. That's the thing. Both of you would not be able to leave each other. I think that no contact has come and gone. Like, I feel like this relationship it was very silly. It was a silly relationship. I'm sorry I'm saying these words, but I'm not getting an energy where there was any fruitful from the start. And that's why both of you are sort of okay now. It's not like, again, you would love to give it a chance. I will see what is the current situation of your like thought process, mindset क्या है आपका. But मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता कि there was any kind of a reality or depth in the relationship that made you have hopes. There were places where you weren't talking. बहुत no contact गए हो आप. बहुत बार no contact गए हो. Clarity ही नहीं थी in this relationship. It's like I think that both of you never had any conversation about your own emotions or true emotions, or if you were having a conversation, it was extreme, out of anger, out of jealousy, out of like it was toxic. Maybe people around you wanted you to be together, but you both couldn't. Maybe people around you were having this expectation that, oh, you both will be good fit for each other, but you couldn't get that understanding, or maybe you thought that it was there but one person was not thinking about it. It's like chaos was building this relationship. Okay, two people who are stuck in a situation and have no other choice but to choose themselves, right? This could very well people in college or people in a toxic work environment. आप toxic environment में हो, and that's why you're feeling that, oh my god, this person is the person who can support me, but not necessarily that both of you are compatible. That is what I'm trying to say. You both are in no contact since December last year or whatever, timeless है, तो December से you are not in contact, like basically this entire year. This relationship was very undependable. Both of you were feeling very insecure. And both of you were insincere in this relationship. Misunderstandings bahut thi is relationship mein. Like from the beginning, you both were not able to find a correct goal in this relationship. Both of you felt very exhausted in this relationship. Like this was a very exhausting relationship. I think, you know what? Can I get a clarifier? Can I get a confirmation before I say this? Can I get a confirmation before I say this? Can I get a confirmation before I say this? Hierophant. I knew it. You know, both of you were in the relationship because it suited for the both of you. You had somebody telling you firstly to be together or something of that sort. And secondly, you both thought that only you both will be able to understand each other. It's like it was so, you know, do you get it? Like the chaos got to you so bad that it was like, yeah, I have no other choice but to choose you. Do you get it? I have no other choice but to be in this relationship with you. You couldn't think about anybody else क्योंकि आपको सामने यही दिखते थे आपकी आंखों के सामने, you know. And there have been so many instances where things have fallen out. So many misunderstandings, so many jealousy, so many fights that you guys have had. You have said so many things in anger, yet you guys would come back together. So many situations where both of you could never ever move on from it, but you came back. Death. There has been so many. I don't think that this relationship, अभी से मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि मेरे को नहीं लगता कि ये relationship वापस होने वाला है. Okay? And somewhere you're sort of relieved, or somewhere you're okay with it. It's not like you're very affected. You're just like keen to know कि अच्छा इसके life में चल क्या रहा है. But that's about it. Rahu energy. Either of you have Rahu in first house or seventh house. Either of you have Rahu in first house or seventh house or 12th house. Either of you have Rahu in first house or Rahu in 7th house or vice versa, and or you have Rahu in 12th house or 8th house also, or 8th house also. Okay, sorry. So that is what I'm getting, like Rahu placement. See, Rahu energies I'm getting in. Secrecy, smoky energy, not very sure but still wanting to be together because it's addictive to be with each other. Do you get it? You know? इसे confirm करने दो मुझे. I don't think that you guys ever felt complete happiness with each other. I don't think so. Like even right now, there is a sense of peace that both of you are in. You are also not very affected. हाँ, थोड़ा सा है आप. You are being more practical and pragmatic in your life, and you're purposely not trying to think about this relationship. You don't have patience left in both of you. I think that both of you don't have any patience left in anymore. It's like you both want to reach out also. There have been moments where you have reached out, and that's why that no contact, that has happened. But it is just like light and dark, and it is like lost. Both of you lost patience in this relationship because आप चाहे कितनी भी कोशिश कर लो ना, it has not worked out. You have tried everything. You have managed. You've tried to talk to everybody. It has just not happened. It was just a game for you guys. Sometimes you guys have forgiven each other, then came back, but then waited for things to get better, but then again things were going. It was like a loop. Okay, it was like a loop. This is okay. What I'm seeing in this no contact energy, na, I'm seeing too much of, like, even with the 7 of Wands, I feel like there was too much of staunch opinions between the two of you, and both of you just not fought, but I will say that there was like this kind of an expectation that was there in the relationship that, okay, you both will be together, but there were not a lot of places where you were able to come into a similar line of thought. Both of you had your own perspectives about this relationship. Okay. One person was extroverted, one person was introverted, one person had a very different way of thinking, the other person had a very different way of thinking. Too much chaos was there around. This was not a very sincere relationship. Both of you have gotten influenced by somebody to be in this relationship. Okay, that is what has happened. And like I'm getting an energy where you would be able to sense it around each other कि यार ये नहीं चल पा रहा है लेकिन तब भी चला रहे हैं इस relationship को. पता है कि नहीं हो पा रहा है, नहीं सीन बन पा रहा है इस relationship में, still चलाओ relationship को, because you don't know if there's anything better for you, right? Secrets energy यहाँ पे भी है, gossiping भी होती थी आपके बारे में in this relationship. This person was also talking behind your back. You were also talking behind the back, but then you would come back when the relationship back again. This was not carefully handled by the two of you. That is why this has happened. Like, I feel like in the past now, there was from the start only, it was not making sense for the both of you to be together. Honestly speaking. 10 of swords, bas baat khatam. Like, life itni bhang chal rahi hai, and still you are having that expression of everything is fine. You tried your level best, but you remember I saw death card also somewhere. Where did that death energy go? Like, death energy, like there was death energy, 10 of swords. Like, there was so much of betrayal. There were so many things that were not going right in this relationship. So many mistakes have been made in this relationship. So many things have been said, unsaid, forgiven, not forgiven. It was a proper trauma bonding. ये proper trauma bonding वाली energy है जहाँ पे ऐसे लगता था कि आप ना साथ रह सकते हो ना साथ छोड़ पा रहे हो. So, okay, tell me, what does this person think about you now? So, what does this person think about you? And now that we've understood it, does this person has forgiven you? Does this person still want to come back? What is this person thinking about you? What is this person thinking about you? What is this person thinking about you? Can you tell me? What is this person thinking about you? You know what? This person doesn't want to take that burden of this relationship. They have good emotions about you, but they're like, you know what? I have moved on. It's close to 1 year since you guys have kind of had a very like a proper relationship. एक साल के पहले there was a very sincere relationship. It has been almost a year where things have kind of broken up or broken over with you, and you have been in no contact since December, as I said, or maybe 1 year also for you. 1 year to like that timeline. But I feel like this person has understood that this was never something that there was never something that this relationship could go through. There was way too much burden in this relationship, and I think that this is their emotion that they have towards you. Is like, listen, whatever happened, it was good till it lasted. Right now, I don't think I have it in me to take another go into this relationship. This person has no grudges towards you. This person has no malice towards you. But this person is not very keen in taking things forward. 3 of swords. This person doesn't have any keen, because this person has seen themselves getting exhausted. Are you feeling the same? Are you feeling the same, or are you having any hopes? Are you feeling the same, or are you having any hopes? No, wait. Are you having any hopes? 8 of swords. Not really. You see, what your zone is that I like what your zone is like. I hope that this person is able to understand that there was no wrongdoings of either of anybody. It was just, maybe this was just karmic. Like, I've gotten the judgment and 8 of swords. Like, it's not like you want the other person to feel bad. You don't want the other person to have any grudges, and you don't want the other person to come back to you either. Like, you're also kind of happy where you are. You're also satisfied in your life. I think you're also getting the attention that you want. But what you want the other person to do is just to accept that there were certain situations that were not your fault. It was just circumstantial. Like, you want the other person to realize that this was not something that you did purposely or they did purposely. It was just the way like life unfolded. That was it. Like, you don't want the other person to have any kind of a preconceived notion about you. And it's not like you care about their opinion. It's like, just understand. Na? And when I see that what they're up to energy also, like when I look at that kind of an energy where you may be stalking or you may be doing this, it's not to be like, oh, who this person is with. It's just like, does this person also behave the same way with somebody else? Is this person also kind of in and out of a relationship with somebody else? Or is this person still repeating the same kind of stupid goof ups that they were doing it with me, right? So you're just seeing whether this person is matured up or not. Okay, it's not like you want them back at all. I don't necessarily see, even with the judgment जब आता है ना, तो yes, past will repeat itself, but past will repeat itself not necessarily ex will come back, because I can see that this person is completely like done with it. So if the person is done with it, how will the past come back? So what I'm seeing is that you want the other person to kind of get a realization of their old patterns, and to be able to just acknowledge that, listen, there were certain places where you were helpless. You also couldn't control Eight of Swords. You also couldn't control the things that are happening around you. You were also being blamed for certain things that you didn't do, and vice versa. You also were not very good with this relationship. ठीक है, मैं समझ सकती हूँ. Okay. Like, you need to understand, like, you want the other person to understand that we put our efforts, but they just went to waste. Now that doesn't mean that doesn't mean that this is something that inherently is a factor of you ki yaar, you are a bad person in a relationship. That is what you want. Just want to get that clear. You just want to get that clearance. I think that there's something unexpected will happen in this relationship. Something is going to happen. I don't think that this is going to be completely like, okay, this person has moved on and nothing will happen. Something unexpected will happen. I think you will come to know this person is already in a relationship or has moved on and is gone into a relationship and will come to you and thank you. This person is going to be in a relationship and is going to come to you and thank you. And you're going to be like, you don't have to thank me. You'll be poker face. But there's going to be some kind of a communication about, like, this person will say thank you to you. And will come to you and be like, you know what? Whatever that happened, I'm glad you taught me a lot. You changed me into a better version of myself. Six of Cups. Yeah, this person is definitely going to interact with you. But then again, you will be left confused as to why are you doing this to me? Like, you will just be like, okay, why is this approach happening? But it is very innocent. You will be left confused. You will be like, okay, that's fine. But this person will have no malicious intents towards you. This person will just come to you and say that, listen, I am now in a new relationship. That previous relationship was a lot. It taught me a lot of things. This person will break no contact. This person will break no contact. This person will communicate to you. This person will break no contact. But not immediately. Not immediately. Not immediately. Not immediately. Yeah. This person is going to open up to you and this person will ask you to listen to them. This person is not going to be very happy and excited to talking to you. It will still like make them feel like, you know, this was like you're a good person. It's that energy, right? Previous reading was right person, wrong time. This is wrong person, right time. So it's like you were just not meant for me by the energy, right? It's sad that this person is having to feel this, and this person will also feel sad about it because you're a good human being. You're just not good for me. You know, आप अच्छे हो, but मेरे लिए ठीक नहीं है. आपको समझ में आ रहा है? This person will not be very happy to kind of approach you like, yeah, you know, look where I am and look where you are, kind of. ऐसा नहीं है. This person also will be a little hesitant, but this person will also recognize and give you a sense of respect, you know. Yeah, it will be like this person is going to take a chance for sure. It is not going to be very easy for them to face this energy. Like, it is not going to be easy for them to be coming to you and approaching you. So it will be a risk for them. It will be like, oh my God, what if this person like hates me or something? What if this person completely like blocks me or something? Which already has happened, I'm assuming. But I don't think that you should have any kind of a negative energy towards this. It's fine. It's okay. It happens. This is very typical energy where both of you were just not compatible. Both of you were together for some right or wrong reasons. And okay, what led to the no contact? ये तो हमने check करा ही नहीं. What led to the no contact? I mean, you were coming and going into the no contact. That also I can see. Both of you are coming and going into the no contact. But what led to the no contact? Can you tell me? Or did I already answer that? I forgot. Okay, let me just confirm it. What led to the no contact? What led to the no contact? Getting done with each other. I think both of you had just grown out of each other, getting out of love, being out of love with each other. At one point in time, it just got too exhausting. It just got too, like, at one point in time, it was just too much to handle. And it was just like, listen, I've grown out of this. I can't. I have too much going on in my life to now look at this relationship again. Like, that was happening. It was just like, I don't have the capacity in me anymore to deal with this. They turned their back towards this relationship. Yeah, unlovable. Just like at one point in time, this relationship just didn't have anything to look out for. That's why the no contact has happened. That's why both of you have distanced yourself away from each other. And you also have taken that step. Both of you just realized that this was just too faulty. This relationship was just not going in the direction that you would want it to. बहुत ही ज़्यादा out of touch हो गया था ये relationship और कुछ था नहीं इसमें. It was just you both tolerating each other. Honestly, both of you just tolerating each other, just being with each other for the sake of being with each other. There was almost no love. There was no intimacy. At one point in time, there was nothing to, like, at one point in time, you were neglecting your own self. At one point in time, you were neglecting your own self in the relationship. It just didn't feel worth it anymore. That is what I'll say. Energy of, like, at one point in time, you're just unavailable for each other. Even when you were both together, you would not spend time or whatever. कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा था इस relationship में. You were both running away from each other. You know, there was nothing in store. Even if you tried, like maybe you tried. Okay, maybe you were wanting to give this relationship another shot. But this person was just out of touch. This person was just unavailable for you. This person just like completely stripped themselves away from taking any accountability in this relationship. It was a come and go energy. मतलब ऐसा था कि come and go energy था, but ये मैं last energy बता रही हूँ कि ऐसा क्या हुआ कि मतलब अभी coming back हो ही नहीं रहा है. But it was like just getting done with it. Okay. This person just found another path for themselves. Like they just realized that there's something else that they need to do in life. It was just something that they couldn't find their heart in this relationship. Yeah, they realize, and somewhere I feel like some friends also have said to them, or to you also, कि भाई बस खत्म करो इस relationship, वो इसमें कुछ है नहीं. Same people who kind of wanted you both to be together have now told you that, listen, I don't think that you both are correct fit for each other. Friends बोलेंगे, family बोलेंगे, anybody who are common factors for you. Whatever that chaos was now, whatever that chaos was in your relationship that made you come together was also the reason for why you both had to come out. That trauma bonding at one point of time, you guys didn't have enough trauma now. You guys had moved on from that trauma. Trauma khatam, bond khatam. Trauma tha, bond tha. At one point of time, both of you have moved on so badly. So not badly, but so like eventually to move on हो जाते हो ना trauma के साथ. उसके बाद आप कितना, like how much will you be able to find that connection? At one point of time, both of you matured up and you realize that it is done now. It's done for. You both started being very private with each other. There was nothing to look out for. Both of you had some very distinct personalities at one point of time. Both of you just couldn't be able to keep up with their energies anymore. Yeah. Rahu energy I'm getting very strongly. Sun with Rahu kind of an energy. Sun and Rahu together. Or Sun and Saturn together. Something of that sort I'm getting. You might be having Sun, Saturn together. Or mutual aspecting each other. Something of that sort, right? So yeah, I mean, that is what is it, guys. Anything else that I need to know about this relationship? I've gotten a very complete closure energy from it. Like you have got an illumination. Like you've got all, like you know everything about this relationship. ऐसा कुछ है नहीं जो आपको नहीं पता in this relationship. Like in the previous reading or previous pile, there were quite a few things that were needed to be said. यहाँ पे everything is clear. Everything is as clear as daylight. And you both don't have any malicious intents towards each other at all. You both wish each other well. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो आपको लग रहा है कि oh, I want something bad to happen to this person. New adventure is coming to you. I think you are right now, maybe you are trying to kind of get your energies back. आपकी energies अभी low हो सकती हैं, but it is not because of this relationship. You are done with it. Trust me, you're done with it. You don't have to look at this relationship anymore, or you don't have to look at this person anymore. Just move on. Distance increases. Yeah, your distance will increase. Like, oh, this person will come back, whatever. But it's not like this person is coming back to date you. Do you get it? It's not like this person is wanting to come back, and you are also likely to change your appearance. You're likely to change your hair color, or you're trying to change your appearance. You're getting a piercing, you're getting a tattoo or something of that sorts. Self-trust will strengthen, definitely. You're taking a tarot reading about this for sure. I don't know with whom, but you're taking a tarot reading, or you have taken a tarot reading from somebody. And maybe this is a confirmation. Maybe this is a confirmation. Confirmation for you. Okay? नया perspective मिल गया आपको. There has been a new perspective that you've gotten about this relationship. Maybe this perspective is something that you knew, but you were not ready to accept. But it has come to you. Initially, there was a lot of doubts, but now I think the repeated, you've gotten a lot of dreams about this person also. Like a lot of dreams have come to you, and that is also a confirmation. This person was sort of a narcissistic also. Friends, family, loved ones, office people. All of these people have been a part in this relationship. All of these people have been a part. Friends, family, loved ones, office people have been a huge part into this relationship to form. And maybe are the reasons also for not sustaining this relationship. Yeah, I don't think, oh my God. I don't think that there's anything left in this relationship. I think you just need somebody to vent out to, and you're going to be done with it. आपको बस एक outlet चाहिए, that's it. Yeah, this relationship always felt incomplete. You had not ever felt complete with this person ever. The same people who, were who were rooting for you are now gossiping about you. Fun fact. Okay. So again, what I'm seeing in this energy, like give me confirmation. What I'm seeing this energy is that initially, there was a feeling of like both of you feeling connected and whatsoever, XYZ. But there was like a silent battle that both of you were fighting with your own selves. I think both you were unhealed people. Both of you were having your own battles to deal with. Both of you were having all your own chaos, your own traumas that actually made you guys come together, because it was like attracts each other. But that energy could not sustain the depths and the nuances of the relationship, because it didn't begin from the start. It was not the beginning of this relationship from the get-go. There was a lot of wall between the two of you. Like, yeah, I mean, I'll say that trauma bonding was there, but there was also so much of guarded energy. Both of you were not ever be able to just be yourselves, right? There was just like situations around you that had to make you be together. Situations around you that made you both come together. And again, I'm not getting anything more in this relationship. कुछ है ही नहीं और बोलने के लिए. Yeah, Ace of Wands, there was definitely attraction. There is still going to be some kind of a spark that you'll always have towards each other, because as in hawa mein, maybe there was a physical attraction, maybe that there can be there. But yeah, beware of self delusion. Like, don't be in any delusion energy, both of you, that there was something good in this relationship, whatever, whatever. This is leaving your life. Someone is leaving your life, and it is gone now. मतलब ये है कि मतलब I don't think that this is coming back. It is all right also. It is good for you. It's not something that you should be upset about, or you'll be like, oh my god, I want this person to come back, because this is not something that you deserve also. ऐसी सिचुएशन मत लाओ जहाँ पे आपको ट्रॉमा बॉन्डिंग करनी पड़ रही है मैन. Like, it is just something that you had to go through, and the no contact kept it was a typical trauma bonding relationship कि आ रहा है जा रहा है, आ रहा है जा रहा है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है आप साथ हो कि नहीं हो, आप साथ भी हो लेकिन नहीं भी हो, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो आपको डिस्कस करनी है लेकिन आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो, टुगेदर हो लेकिन देयर इज नो काइंड ऑफ अ कनेक्शन दैट द बोथ ऑफ यू फील अबाउट ईच अदर. There was just so many anomalies in the relationship that made you feel like, yeah, are we even together or not together? Do you get it? So at one point in time, it just made sense to be together, because it just, yeah, that is what usually people do. But iska koi tuk nahi tha. There was nothing more to look forward to in the relationship. You were just there for the sake of the relationship. There was not honest communication that you were doing. There was not honest discussion that was happening in the relationship. Even when the no contact happened, you were okay with it. After one point of time, you moved on. This person moved on. So I think that this is done and dusted, I would say. There's nothing left in store in the relationship that has to be looked into. मतलब मेरे तरफ से तो मुझे और कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है. Otherwise I would have definitely seen कि अच्छा, is there something that is left unsaid, or is there some kind of a change of heart? क्योंकि change of heart ना आपका हो रहा है ना उनका हो रहा है, actually speaking. There's no change of heart of you or this person. Okay, so this is not an energy where one person is actually having a eureka moment and having this kind of an energy where I want to kind of change my behavior or change my change my attitude. No, it's not like that, right? So yeah, guys, this is what it is from my side. I hope I was able to help you, and I hope that you have gotten the information that you wanted. Again, if you want to get a specific understanding about this relationship, although I don't think you need to, मुझे नहीं लगता कि आपको tarot reading की ज़रूरत है, but if you need to, but you can always book it. Not from me, but anybody else also is fine. Not necessarily from me only. But if you want to get more like guidance about this, and if you want more information, then I would recommend you to explore it, right? But apart from that, I think that this is the end. मुझे नहीं लगता कि यहाँ पे कुछ और आपको सोचने की ज़रूरत है. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is what it is. I hope I was able to help you, and yeah, I wish you all the very best. And definitely let me know what you felt about the about the reading, whether it made sense, whether it didn't make sense. Don't tell me whether it didn't make sense or not. Just tell me if it made sense. And yeah, definitely like, save, share. Comment what you want to watch next, and whether this resonated, and subscribe to my channel, because it really, really helps me. I will make more videos if you subscribe to me. I'll make much more interesting videos. Hopefully they are resonating more, and definitely hype this video as many times as you can so that it can reach the right people. And yeah, I will see you soon. If you want to book a session with me, all the information is in the description below. And yeah, all the best. Thank you so much. Bye.